Okay, y'all want to check this out. Look at all these blackbirds. Look like blackbird heaven. 100 of them. Man. They're all in the tree in front of my house too. A whole herd of them, my friends. I can zoom in a little bit. Look at them. They're hungry birds. Eating me out of house and home. Whoa, there they go. Now watch them. One of them will come back and then they'll all come back. Watch. They'll be back. Watch them. And there's one flying in the tree. Takes us one of them to land on the ground and all the rest will be back. Gloomy weather again. I didn't see the ducks today. No quackers. Here we go. Okay, here we go, y'all. Told you one of them comes back, the whole herd is right on their butt. Told y'all before, I need to make the movie The Birds. Chowing down, my friends. Okay, my buddies, we'll catch y'all on the next one. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Maybe the ducks will be back later. They coming all back down again. All right, y'all have a blessed evening. Don't forget to hit that like button for me. Thank you.